Hello everyone and welcome back to Bristol Crypto. Craig here on a Thursday the 10th of May guys of June, and what we're starting off here guys by looking at is how Bitcoin is finally evening out, I believe guys, here after the brutal dips that we saw over the last few weeks guys. Things finally have seemed to have settled and bottomed out. And as you can see now, we are flirting with this line of resistance around the 36k mark, guys. As we speak, we're at 36,500. We did come up earlier today to the 38,000 plus mark. So I fully believe now the whales have moved in and the bulls are back in control, guys, at the moment. And we're looking a lot more positive, guys, aren't we, after the El Salvador news. And obviously today with the Indian news as well, adopting Bitcoin and crypto as well, guys. It's all helping the case, isn't it? So how's everyone? Hope you're all good. We're not making pumps at the moment, guys, unless you're holding data coin, of course, but we are sort of evening out here, guys. And if we look on the 5 daily as well, you can clearly see how we bottomed out down here around about the 31,000 mark back last week, and you can see we've broken through resistance, and it does seem now like we are turning this resistance into a bit of support now, guys. If you have a look here, we were struggling to break through this line of resistance here. It does seem now it has turned into a bit of support, which is more bullish news, guys. Back in the market. So what have we got, guys, today on Bitcoin is rising 8.5% as El Salvador adopts the cryptocurrency as legal tender. So the price of Bitcoin is now up 30.8% from the year's low of just under 28,000. That was back in January, guys. We saw the lows of 27,000 here on January the 4th. And also Ethereum. It's rose by 2.29% to 2.566, guys, adding roughly around about $60 to its previous close on the 10th of June there. So Ether picking up and looking good too, guys. It's a good article here about El Salvador. It's on the website there. It's Gadgets 360, guys. If you want to have a look at it, really good, interesting article that I was just reading through today. I don't want to bore you with it, but have a look through it, guys. Really, really interesting article. I thought it was really good. And so I want to talk a bit about the options expiry, guys, at the moment as well. So on Cointelegraph here, bullish Bitcoin news flow gives bulls a boost ahead of Friday's 565 million options expiry. So bullish Bitcoin maneuvers from El Salvador, Victory Capital and MicroStrategy have saved the day by giving bulls a much needed boost and balancing out Friday's Bitcoin options expiry. So on Friday, tomorrow, if you're watching this on Thursday, a total of 565 million in Bitcoin options are set to expire. This is significant because the last couple of weeks have been a massive deception for bulls. After all, the price was struggling to sustain the $33,000 support, guys, which we have now smashed through. However, an unexpected bullish turn of events led to an 18.5 hike from the 31,000 low on June 8th to just under 38,500, guys, today. This strong move saved the bulls because any level below 34,000 would have wiped 98% of the current call buy options. There you go, guys. Make of that what you will. So who saved the day? First, MicroStrategy, a publicly traded company that holds over 3.2 billion worth of Bitcoin, concluded a 500 million bond offering on June 8th, and the proceeds will be used to buy more Bitcoin. Also on the same day, we heard the El Salvador approving Bitcoin, guys, as legal tender. And also the government announced it would further hold 150 million worth of Bitcoin in a trust fund. So interesting, guys. Do bulls or bears have the upper hand? So what they're basically saying here is the initial picture slightly favors the bears because the call to put ratio stands at 0.93. Although this indicator values every option the same. However, the right to acquire Bitcoin at 42k in less than 24 hours is currently worthless. So this call option is trading below $40 each. So saying the bears, guys, are still in charge slightly. Some more news, guys, today for let's go back to the screen here a second. Right, guys, massive news today as well for Polygon holders. If you're a Matic holder like myself, then Polygon committing 10 million to reach 1 million users using OX API or 0x API. The project said it anticipated an influx of new DeFi projects onboarding into the 0x ecosystem. Now, I am also holding some 0x, guys, as well. The network onboarding a large number of decentralized applications aims to hit 1 million users through OX's decentralized exchange liquidity aggregator API. Today, Polygon said its project will be committing 10.5 million towards securing decentralized finance infrastructure on its network through the support of developers and projects. I mean, I'm already bullish on Polygon and Matic, guys, as it is, you know. So, I mean, this is just even more, wood to the fire. The project said it anticipated an influx of new DeFi projects onboarding into the OX ecosystem, with initial support offered for Matic, however you say these guys here. Try and pronounce them as you will, but yeah, there you go. So I believe, guys, the DeFi and the DEXs are going to go huge, guys, when we do fully recover. For me, my favorite DEX coins for myself personally is Uniswap and also 1inch as well. So for me, the DEX coins of 1inch and Uniswap, guys. Obviously, SushiSwap as well is another big one. But there was also big news today as well. I can just find it on here, guys, for 1inch as well. They have released their composable limit order protocol. Don't know how many of you are aware of that. I haven't really looked into it myself. But what it's basically saying is the liquidity aggregator just beefed up its functionality with the limit order protocol, a new tool that may have use cases beyond DEXs. So, decentralized exchange and liquidity aggregator 1inch, which I'm holding a good bag of, guys, really bullish on, announces the launch of the 1inch limit order protocol. The new feature boasts 5 different security audits and will enable users to buy or sell assets at specific price targets on Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Polygon. The new feature will also be able to interact with smart contract logic and be able to execute orders based on Oracle data. It's another cross-chain function. Limit orders were previously available to the DeFi ecosystem through a variety of protocols, including Gelato and 0x. The latter, which 1inch utilized, however, team claims this new protocol will be more gas efficient and secure in that it does not require admin keys, and that the protocol will add additional value to the ecosystem via composability with other protocols such as Uniswap version 3. So great news there, guys, as well. Really interesting there. I'm also buying some. I've also added to my bag today, guys, actually as well. I've added to. I'm really bullish on Polkadot at the moment. I mean, not that I wasn't bullish on Polkadot before, but for me, with the parachains later this month, with the auctions happening as well, I believe that we're going to see like Polkadot go like we did see with Kusama, guys, a little while ago. Been looking like into this as well. If we just look at Kusama really recently as well, okay, on the USD, guys, okay. Now let's look out here on the 3 monthly. Okay. Now this is obviously the big drop we had here, but Kusama has come back really nicely. Done really well, and I believe that we are going to see Polkadot, maybe not to these, obviously to these levels as in value, but similar movements when Polkadot gets the actual the parachains going properly. This is how we're going to see it go, I believe. As you can see, obviously we did have pullbacks down here when we had the dump with Kusama, but it's recovered really well, and I believe this is how we're going to see DOT go, guys, soon as well. Such a good ecosystem. I don't know why DOT doesn't get more attention than what it does. I'm a big fan of DOT, guys, you know that, and I just see that this is going to be one of the coins that's going to lead this cycle, guys, when it recovers. I really do. I mean, we were up to highs of like nearly $50 before we saw those brutal crashes, like, you know what I mean, last month. You know, it is a recovery phase now. I do believe we're going to go back up to these heights now. It's going to be the main one, guys. For me, what I'm going to be doing at the moment is stacking more Polkadot, stacking more Link. Obviously, Vet and VeChain. It's one of the ones that, you know, I'm always going to be stacking. And I did also take some profit out of Data Streamer yesterday after the big pumps that we saw. I did put a bit more of that into ETH as well, into Ethereum, guys. So really bullish on that Ethereum too. If we just quickly have a look at the Bitcoin dominance, guys, at the moment, you can see that it is actually picking up. Just down a little bit here. So yeah, you can see the Bitcoin dominance, guys, is actually increasing now. So we're heading away from an alt season, and we probably need this at the moment. To be honest, we know we do need the you know, the Orange King to do its thing. You know, we are up to 43.5% dominance, coming back up from yesterday's. I mean, we did have lows. We were heading down towards the 39.40 mark, guys, and it's nice to see this because we do need Bitcoin to do its thing, because obviously Bitcoin profits do dwindle into the alts and that. So it's nice to see Bitcoin's dominance picking up again, to be fair. You know, yeah, okay, we hold a lot of altcoins, guys, and we do want to see alt season, but I believe we need to see this first before we actually head back into alt season. We need to get the we do need to get that you know, that overall market cap back up in Bitcoin, guys, to see us on. So that's how I'm seeing the markets at the moment. We do seem to be recovering. Things do seem to be stabilizing, guys, over the last 48 hours. Tell me how you see things going from here. Do we think we're going down to 33, 34, or do you see us going up to 40 and 42 now, heading into the weekend? I'm more bullish, guys, at the moment than bearish. I really am. Let me know in the comment section what you think and where we're heading. I'm really interested to know. If you could please like and subscribe, guys. I'm trying to get my algorithm out to more people. Once I get to 500 subscribers, I'm going to get a better webcam and a better you know, better microphone, that kind of thing, which I want to aim to get to eventually. So appreciate all the help I can get. So that's it for today's video, guys. Please like and subscribe, and back tomorrow with whatever tomorrow throws at us. Hopefully it's less FUD, hey guys, and we can crack on from here. Thanks for watching Bristol Crypto Craig. You've watched the rest, now come and watch the best, as they say. And there's no reason not to hold crypto, guys. We're still in a bull run. Peace out. Thanks for watching. See you later.